Miko, bedtime story?
Today's story is called My Banana Dog by Roxanne Brouillard and Julia Sagramola. What are you doing? I'm walking my dog. Yeah, it's not a dog. At the end of your leash, that's a banana. Open your eyes. It's clearly a dog. It's not moving. Ah, yeah, he's very tired today. It's yellow. Yes, his breed is very rare. He doesn't have any fur? Yeah, you shouldn't mention it. You're going to hurt his feelings. He doesn't bark? No, he went to the best training schools. He is calm and wise. Can I pet him? No, you made fun of him. He would definitely bite you. Does he know any tricks? Of course. Fetch the ball. Good dog. He didn't do anything. The ball is still in your hand. He brought me the ball. It was just too fast for your eyes to see. Hey, everybody, look! It's Filou, my pear cat. He can meow on command. Oh, whatever. I'm going. You should be more polite to him. He is a pure breed, and he's 3 times won a gold medal in a world competition for dogs. Come on, boy. They don't know anything. Woof! Woof!